Did you know that as at 2021, it is estimated that 464 million people worldwide, and 1 in every 3 American adults has prediabetes? And here's the kicker: 80% of them don't even know it. But what if I told you that with the right diet, you could not only prevent diabetes but potentially reverse prediabetes? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share a game-changing prediabetes diet plan that could transform your health. Prediabetes is when your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be diagnosed as diabetes. It's like being on the edge of a cliff. You haven't fallen off, but you're dangerously close. Your body is saying, we need to make some changes. The good news, it is reversible. With the right diet and lifestyle changes, you can turn back the clock on your health. In this video, we'll explore how nutrition can be your most powerful ally in preventing and reversing prediabetes. From macronutrient balance to meal timing, from foods to embrace to those to avoid, we'll cover it all. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to change your life. When it comes to prediabetes, food is medicine. The right nutrition plan can lower blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even reverse the condition entirely. It's about sustainable, science-backed changes that nourish your body and stabilize your blood sugar. This natural approach benefits your entire body, not just your blood sugar levels. A prediabetes reversing diet emphasizes balance, variety, and whole foods. It includes nutrient-dense foods high in fiber, rich in vitamins and minerals, and low in processed sugars and unhealthy fats. Dietary changes can start improving your blood sugar levels within days. As you begin to feel better, with more energy, better sleep, and improved digestion, you'll be inspired to continue. Meal timing, portion control, and even the order in which you consume different foods can all play a role in managing your blood sugar. Reversing prediabetes through nutrition isn't about deprivation or strict rules. It's about making informed choices that support your health and well-being. Rediscover the joy of eating real, delicious food that makes you feel great. When it comes to managing prediabetes, not all nutrients are created equal. Macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats play distinct roles in blood sugar control. Understanding how to balance these nutrients is key to creating a diet that keeps your blood sugar stable. Focus on complex carbs that are high in fiber, digested slowly, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar. Examples include whole grains, vegetables, and legumes. Protein helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar. This can help prevent spikes and crashes. Include a source of lean protein with each meal, such as fish, poultry, legumes, and tofu. These proteins are not only beneficial for blood sugar, but also for overall health. Healthy fats are crucial for a balanced diet, helping to slow down digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. They also provide essential fatty acids. Focus on sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats can be easily incorporated into meals and snacks. Aim for 45 to 50% of calories from carbohydrates, 20 to 30% from protein, and 25 to 35% from fat. This balance helps maintain energy levels and blood sugar control. The quality of these macronutrients matters just as much as the quantity. Choose whole, unprocessed sources of each macronutrient for the best blood sugar control and overall health benefits. Avoid refined sugars and processed foods. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into specific foods to include and avoid on a prediabetes diet. Stay tuned for more detailed guidance. If you're finding this information valuable and want to support our mission of spreading knowledge about diabetic-friendly nutrition, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. When it comes to managing prediabetes, your food choices can make or break your success. Non-starchy vegetables should be the star of your plate. Fill half your plate with options like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, peppers, and zucchini. Whole grains are another important component of a prediabetes diet. Opt for options like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread. Lean proteins should also feature prominently in your meals, such as fish, skinless poultry, legumes, and tofu. Sugary drinks are at the top of the list to avoid. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. Processed snacks and sweets often contain refined carbohydrates and added sugars that can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and regular pasta should be limited. Focus on heart-healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. By embracing nutrient-dense whole foods and limiting processed and sugary options, you're not just managing your blood sugar, you're nourishing your body and supporting overall health. Remember, portion control is key even with healthy foods. This balanced approach helps keep blood sugar stable and supports overall health. Meal timing and portion control strategies. Meal timing plays a crucial role in blood sugar management. Eating at regular intervals throughout the day helps keep your blood sugar levels stable. Aim for 3 balanced meals and 2 to 3 small snacks spread evenly throughout the day. Breakfast is particularly important. Try to eat within an hour or two of waking up. For lunch and dinner, try to eat at consistent times each day. Portion control is equally important in managing prediabetes. One simple strategy is the plate method. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains or starchy vegetables. For more accurate portion control, consider using measuring cups or a food scale initially. When dining out, consider sharing a meal or asking for a to-go box at the start of the meal, and immediately setting aside half for later. Snacks should be kept small, about 15 to 30 grams of carbohydrates, paired with a protein or healthy fat. By paying attention to both meal timing and portion sizes, you can create an eating pattern that supports stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Sample meal plans for pre-diabetic individuals. Creating a meal plan can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning and the right ingredients, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that support your health. Let's walk through a sample day of eating that's designed to keep blood sugar levels stable and provide balanced nutrition. This plan includes a variety of foods to ensure you get all the essential nutrients. For breakfast, consider a bowl of steel-cut oats topped with berries and chopped nuts. This combination provides fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants to start your day right. For a mid-morning snack, try a small apple with a tablespoon of almond butter. The apple offers natural sweetness and fiber, while the almond butter adds protein and healthy fats. Lunch could be a colorful salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken breast, a variety of non-starchy vegetables, a small portion of quinoa, and a vinaigrette dressing. This meal is packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. For an afternoon snack, try a small handful of unsalted mixed nuts or a serving of Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of cinnamon. These options provide a good balance of protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Dinner might be baked salmon with roasted vegetables and a small serving of brown rice. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, while the vegetables and brown rice add fiber and nutrients. If you need an evening snack, consider a small piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, with a few almonds. Dark chocolate is a good source of antioxidants, and almonds provide healthy fats and protein. These meal plans are just a starting point. Feel free to adjust the portions and ingredients to suit your personal preferences and nutritional needs. The key is to create a sustainable eating pattern that you enjoy, and that helps manage your blood sugar effectively. Consistency and enjoyment are crucial for long-term success. Remember, balanced meals help prevent blood sugar spikes and support overall health. By making thoughtful food choices, you can take control of your health and well-being. Practical steps for implementing a pre-diabetes diet. Implementing a new diet can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it becomes much more manageable. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. Reading nutrition labels is crucial for making informed food choices. This helps you understand what you're putting into your body. Look beyond just the calorie count. It's important to consider the nutritional value of the food. Pay attention to the serving size, total carbohydrates, fiber content, and added sugars. These elements can significantly impact your blood sugar levels. A good rule of thumb is to choose foods with more fiber and less added sugar. High-fiber foods help regulate blood sugar and keep you feeling full longer. Meal prep is another key strategy for success. It ensures you have healthy options readily available. Set aside time each week to plan and prepare meals in advance. This can include chopping vegetables, cooking grains, and portioning out snacks. This not only saves time during busy weekdays, but also helps you stick to your diet plan. Having meals ready to go reduces the temptation to opt for unhealthy convenience foods. When dining out, a little preparation goes a long way. It helps you make healthier choices even when you're not cooking at home. Look up the menu online before you go and decide what you'll order. This way, you won't be swayed by less healthy options in the moment. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications to make dishes healthier. Most restaurants are willing to accommodate requests like dressing on the side or grilling instead of frying. If portion sizes are large, plan to take half home for later. This helps control calorie intake and prevents overeating. Hydration is crucial for overall health and can help manage blood sugar levels. Staying hydrated supports your body's functions and can aid in weight management. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Carry a water bottle with you to make it easier to stay on track. Avoid sugary drinks, including fruit juices, as these can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Opt for water, herbal teas, or other low-calorie beverages instead. By incorporating these practical steps, reading labels, meal prepping, smart dining out strategies, and proper hydration, you'll be well on your way to successfully implementing your pre-diabetes diet plan. Remember, consistency is key, and every small step counts towards better health. Scientific evidence supporting dietary interventions. The power of diet in managing and reversing prediabetes is not just anecdotal, it's backed by solid scientific research. Let's look at some key studies that demonstrate the effectiveness of dietary interventions. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that a Mediterranean-style diet reduced the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 52%. A research in the journal Diabetes Care showed that a low-carb, high-protein diet improved insulin sensitivity in people with prediabetes. A meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition concluded that increasing fiber intake significantly improved blood sugar control in individuals with prediabetes. The Diabetes Prevention Program, a landmark study, demonstrated that lifestyle changes, including diet modification, reduced the risk of developing diabetes by 58%. Sticking to a new diet can be challenging. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Start small. Make gradual changes to your diet. Find healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. Practice mindful eating. Keep a food diary. Celebrate non-scale victories like improved energy levels. While diet is crucial, it's not the whole picture. Regular physical activity and stress management play vital roles in preventing diabetes. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Include both cardio and strength training. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga. Prioritize sleep, aiming for 7-9 hours per night. While this diet plan is generally safe, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have other health conditions or are taking medications. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute professional medical advice. If you found this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more evidence-based nutrition content. We'd love to hear about your experiences with managing prediabetes in the comments below, and if you know someone who could benefit from this information, please share this video with them. In conclusion, remember, prediabetes doesn't have to lead to type 2 diabetes. With the right nutrition plan, regular exercise, and stress management, you have the power to take control of your health. Start with small changes, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this.